Hey guys, what's going on? Today I got another video for the old Spark Trixx here. Where is it? There it is. And today we're going to be discussing the water box, the Riva resonator delete kit, and maybe the intake. Definitely the intake screen. So, as you may or may not be able to see, at least I hope so, I took the resonator out. So all you had to do was, it was originally, down back in here. So I just had to drill out the rivet here and take a big vise to crack this loose and then just literally take it off my hand. So we took the old water box out and get rid of all that restrictive baloney. And here is the new Riva pipe we're putting in place. And I'm going with the stock exit location. Oh, excuse me. I couldn't bring myself to drill a hole in the hull of the brand new jet ski. I just couldn't bring myself to do it. So we're going with that. So I'm just going to do a little install here on this and show you guys that. I'll show you the intake screen and what I think we're going to be doing with that right there. This. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we got the old box out. That means we moved this styrofoam out of the way for now. And next I got to take this off. So we grab a flathead. Take this off. And we're also going to need a wire cutter. I'll show you why. Right? Let's see. Right here, zip tied to it. There's two zip ties here. Now this is the some kind of sensor for the water box that goes into the ECU. So we have to cut that off so we can get this elbow off. Now, in case you guys are wondering, this factory water box here, we're leaving this on for now because it's for what kind of power, basically stock power I'm going to be making. We don't need to upgrade it yet because, first of all, replacement Riva water box is $400. That's a little too much right now on a brand new jet ski. That might be the upgrade for next year. Okay, guys, so now I test fitted everything, well, where it goes relatively. So the same size coupling clamp goes on the top side, and then your sharp bend is up here, and that comes down and makes the last bend here. So this is how it looks in case any of you need to see this. And now the other coupler that has the flared end goes through the hull. Now you also will need the original lock nut off of your water box for the end of this kit, for that right there. So let me install it all quick, put the clamps on, and you can see it all done. And it also comes with this sticky O-ring. This goes right on here in between the hull and the flange. So don't mind that. So let me install it quick and show you guys it completed. Okay. Install that in there, and when you tighten this up, it's going to really put the clamping force on it. Clamp everything, let me show you how it looks. Like all put together the way it will be. See? Just like that. It's nice and square on there. Now see, it won't sit perfectly flat, but that's okay. And same down here, we got the O-ring in the middle, not on the wrong side this time. Two clamps here, and I'm going to clamp it all up. Okay, there we go. It's literally that simple. So now I tighten this up as tight as I can get hand tight. I know you can't really see it now. Let me grab my phone light and see if I can show you a little bit better. There. Right there. That. Right there. Okay. All clamped together. Literally that simple.